Welcome to the Agile Scrum Master Complete tutorial, presented by Rajesh Bhujbal. Rajesh is a certified Scrum Master with 18 years of experience in the IT industry, working across domains like healthcare, e-commerce, travel, warehouse management, and logistics. This course is built on his real-world expertise and hands-on knowledge, designed to help you become truly industry-ready. Through practical insights, real-world scenarios, and a clear step-by-step approach, you'll gain the confidence to apply Agile and Scrum effectively in any organization. Let's get started and unlock the power of Agile and Scrum together. Through this course, we will cover the following key modules. Module 1, Introduction to Scrum and Agile Module. 2, Scrum Framework and Key Concepts. Module 3, Scrum Master Role in Detail. Module 4, Sprint Execution and Team Collaboration. Module 5, Agile Metrics and Reporting. Module 6, Scaling Scrum for Large Teams. Module 7, Common Pitfalls and Best Practices. Module 8, How to Become a Certified Scrum Master, including CSM, PSM, SAFe, and more. By the end of this course, you will have a solid understanding of the Scrum framework and the confidence to lead Agile teams effectively. So, let's get started on this exciting path to becoming a successful Scrum Master. See you in Module 1.